Hey, what's up, everyone? And welcome to my tech review of the Infinix Note 35G. So, I've been using this phone for a few weeks now, and I am satisfied with it. It's a great all around phone that offers a good balance of performance, features, and affordability. The body and the design of this phone is simple, but it felt premium. The Infinix Note 35G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor. And what I have here is the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It has the large 6.7-inch IPS display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone also has bypass charging capability. It has dual speaker, which is tuned by JBL, and a headphone jack. The display on the Infinix Note 35G is another highlight. This makes the phone great for gaming and watching videos. The display is also bright and clear, so you can use it in direct sunlight without any problem. The software on the Note 35G is Android 13 with Infinix XOS 13 is skinned on top. The software experience is smooth and fluid, and there are plenty of customization options available. So the phone also has a long-lasting 5000 milliamp battery, so you can easily get a full day of use out of it. The camera on the Note 35G is also pretty good. It has a 108 megapixels main sensor along with a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The camera takes sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. Coincidentally, I was able to compare it with my Razer Phone 2, which has 12 megapixels wide sensor. But looking at this photo, the Note 35G looks bright and foggy. And when you look at the photo from the Razer Phone 2, it has a good contrast and dynamic range. And also, when you zoom the photo, you will notice the difference. The Note 35G loses a lot of details, and the Razer Phone 2 was still able to get detailed image from afar. Turning on and off the AI feature on the camera will give you control on how your photo will look like. Upon taking more photos, we have encountered this bug in the software. So good luck when you're taking those precious moments. Here's another sample photo. So the HDR from the Note 35G didn't work and loses a lot of details again. And again, I was trying to take a macro shot and I noticed that the AI said that the flower is edible. So luckily I'm not a flowertarian. So kidding aside, seems like the AI is struggling identifying the object. So when I changed the position or my position, that was the time that the AI was able to recognize that I was taking a photo of the flower. So I don't know whether or not this is another bug that they have on the camera. So we'll never know. Testing the camera in the bright light condition, the Note 35G failed to get the accurate color of the chandelier but was able to get great image in its surroundings. And the Razer Phone 2 was able to get accurate color of the chandelier but it loses a lot of details in its surroundings. Now testing the night shots. As a reference, I'm using the camera to know which one takes better photo. And in this case, the Infinix Note 35G got better image. So Infinix won this test. Now let's talk about the gaming performance. There is no doubt that this phone is well capable of handling smooth gaming experience, especially the touchscreen, because it features 240 Hz sampling rate, which is suitable for FPS games and can be used in competitions. But bear in mind, guys, that playing games while you're charging, the charging port may become wobbly, and soon enough, it will give you a hard time charging your phone. Like my Razer Phone 2 is so wobbly that it gives me a hard time to charge the phone nowadays. The build quality on the charging port in this Note 35G is poor, and this may cause you a problem that I am currently experiencing right now with my Razer Phone 2. Question to Infinix, what prevented you to put the charging port on either side of the phone instead of putting it in the bottom? And finally, watching movies in this phone is good. And with the speaker tuned by JBL, the watching experience in this phone is better than your regular phone speaker. In my opinion, the sound quality is close to the iPhone 14 Pro speaker.
But remember, without us, you're weak.
My conclusion is that the camera is decent, but for me, the 108 megapixels is just a marketing or a gimmick. Even with the new update, the bug in the camera app is still there. Now, with regard to the charging port, it's going to be a problem in the future, so make sure that you take care of that. My gaming experience in this phone is great. I have no complaints about it. That body and design, though, it's really a starry black. So overall, even with these few nuances, using these phones for a few weeks was a good experience. So if you're looking for a budget and gaming phone, then I would recommend this. Just don't expect too much in the camera. So if you want to own this phone, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and answer this question. What did I ask Infinix in this video? Direct message your answer to my Instagram, so link is on the description below. The announcement of the winner will be on the 8th of August of 2023, and it will be posted in the community section of my channel. So thank you for watching, and you have a good day.